Okay. So in this session, we are going to talk about the Cucumber TestRunner. We have the Cucumber TestRunner, right? The TestRunner is invoking the test Cucumber test. That means running the test. Indirectly, the Gherkin feature file is there, right? The feature file, and a step definition. So it is a mediator between the feature file and Gherkin step. Okay. It is giving the correction between the feature file and Gherkin step. So what else we can do with this Cucumber test runner? We'll see that. Test runner class bridges, features file, and step definition. So it is a bridge to run your feature files and step definitions. And it is annotated with the run with and that Cucumber options. And it supports running the via IDE, Eclipse IDE, or Maven. And this is what the Cucumber test runner, right? Run with Cucumber.class Cucumber options. Okay, feature is equal. This is a feature file location, and the glue is a step definition, and this is for the reporting purpose. The monochrome true, and there is one more dry run is there. I'll explain that. And this is the tags is equal to smoke test or for regression function like that. And if you see the different type of options, we can add in the Cucumber test as a key. Cucumber options, key options, like example, we have features. That is a path to the feature file location where the feature files resides are located. And the glue is nothing but it is looking at the login test step definition, home test step definition, or registration test step definition. So those step definition classes it is looking at. And the plugins is reporting outputs. Like once you run the test, it is going to generate the report in the form of JSON file, or maybe XML, or maybe HTML format. So monochrome is nothing but, it is readable console output. Console output. So whatever you see in the console, right, after running the test, okay, you will see a readable console output. The dry run is nothing but check the step definition mappings. Example, you're running a test. You're running the feature file. When you're running the feature file or run from the test runner, right? Okay. If any of the feature file step is not implemented, it's not implemented. Okay. So what it does, it is going to generate the feature file step definition. Okay. It is going to generate the feature file step definition. If you use dry run is equal to 2 or something like that. So dry run, we have the what else we have? Dry run. Dry run is not here, right? Okay. So if you mention the dry run, then that is going to look for the feature file step is having the step definition or not. And this is the strict for fails for undefined steps. If any this keyword, the strict keyword is there. Okay, if you use this, if any undefined steps are there, that means that is not defined. That is not defined. Okay, then it will fail. Tags anyway, this is filter for the scenarios using like different type of tags like smoke and regression kind of things. And this is the plugin options for the reporting purpose. Plugin pretty format, pretty report, HTML target folder, Cucumber minus HTML minus report.html. This is going to generate in this format. And we will have one more report that is JSON report and XML report. Okay, these are the bunch of report. This is a JUnit one and the JSON report and HTML one. And how we are running the test runner? We are running the right click on the test runner class. Okay, run as a JUnit test. Then it is going to run the test and it is going to generate the report. Okay, report HTML, JSON, XML. Okay, and we can see the console output. And apart from that, if you want to run the same test from the Maven, file, because going forward we are going to run the all the Cucumber test through the Maven pom.xml. Okay, Maven pom.xml. Okay, how to run that? How to run the Cucumber test in the Maven pom.xml. So this is the configuration we have to do it, guys. In the plugin section, there is a Maven Surefire plugin. Under this, there is a configuration. Under the configuration include of double star slash TestRunner.java. Okay, double star is nothing but anything before the test runner, and it is located in the project. We should be located in the project. So this is anything before the test runner. Okay, it can be Cucumber test runner something. Okay, we can give the partial name of now. Okay, so double star slash TestRunner.java. We have to give this. And you can right click on the pom.xml and Maven clean install. It will run. Okay. We'll see that how it is going to run. This is the structure area. We know that this is the pom.xml. In the pom.xml, we have some configuration already. Where is this? Yes. This is a configuration. So we'll do one thing, not required. No, we should have the includes. Includes. In the includes, we have the include. Okay. In the includes. In the include section, we have to add this one. Okay. This one. So where is that? Here, Control Z. Yes. Double star slash. Any dot is there here? No dot. Okay. TestRunner dot Java file. TestRunner.java file. Where is the TestRunner.java file here? Go to here. You see this? TestRunner.java file. Okay. If we want to run this, right? So we need to add one more dependency. That is JUnit vintage engine. Okay. That is a JUnit vintage engine. We have to add this. Yes. Save it. JUnit vintage engine. So once you add this and make sure you can check this test runner having the proper name or not. Okay. And if you want to give the full path like com BDD runner, you can give it. No problem. Com slash BDD slash runner. Okay. And go back to your test runner and you can mention the tags. If you don't mention the tag, it will run all the feature files. Now let us go here, pom.xml. Right click, Maven test. So earlier we used to run from the test runner, right? So now we are running from the pom.xml. Like it. Perfect. It's clear. Solely running only this one. If you refresh and see the report, right click, refresh, target folder, Cucumber report HTML. All good. Yep, it's fine, right? You can also run from here. Okay, go here, open the properties and command cmd mbn clean install test. So this is going to clean the project target files and install if any dependencies are pending in the local and running the test.